This is the Leatherman Surge, one of Leatherman's largest multi-tools. The Surge features all stainless steel construction with nicely rounded corners on the grip, and the grips also feature an inch scale here and a metric scale here, on both sides, inch and metric. The pliers on the Surge are heavy duty and include a round gripping area here. The needle nose portion is serrated for better gripping action. The pliers also include the hard and soft wire cutters. The Surge features several implements on the inside of the case: the large straight screwdriver bit, the scraper blade, and the very small screwdriver bit driver with a removable bit that's very small straight and very small Phillips. On the other side is the combination bottle opener and can opener and the bit driver. The bit driver makes a very powerful screwdriver. It's removable. It features a straight bit and a Phillips bit and firmly locks into place. The Surge features several implements on the outside of the case. The long, straight knife blade is locked into place. On the other side is the serrated knife blade, locked into place. Also on this side are a pair of scissors. And on the other side is the saw blade, locked into place, and the saw blade is removable for replacement. The Leatherman Surge, large and capable. Get equipped. Get a Leatherman.